Change theme in Chrome to one that's been previously installed. This seems like it should be really easy to do, I just can't work out how. Is there a way in Chrome to switch to themes that have previously been installed on the browser? Themes that have been installed through the marketplace. If you install a theme through the marketplace, a file downloads, installs itself, then disappears. If you revisit that theme page, you're told it's already installed, even if you have installed a different theme in the intervening time. I can find no interface within the latest version of Chrome, 11, I think, that allows you to reselect that theme. Is there one?
There is not a way to install a previously used theme from your own system. Though I imagine a genius programmer can find a way to play with it. The web store should not be saying it is already installed, it only says that for currently installed extensions, not extensions that were installed at some time. Try refreshing the page. Then try removing cookies or temporary files, and then refreshing the page.
I ran into much of the same trouble trying to switch back to a previously used theme in later versions of Google Chrome. I'm not usually one to plug an add-on unless it really works for me. The only thing I found that worked is the Chrome extension Extensions Manager, aka Switcher. It showed me the themes I had previously installed and allowed me to switch back to them. At very least it did a proper job of uninstalling the theme so that I could actually go back to the Chrome Web Store and re-download the one I wanted to use again.
One, go to the previously downloaded theme on the extensions page. It shows as installed with a Rate It button. 2. Click the share link. Share via Gmail. 3. A compose window will open with a text message like this. Check out Bluemind CT Deep Dark, this URL. 4. Delete the folder in your Google Chrome /default directory named GeoGeofKKF, citing the example above. 5. Restart the browser. You can now re-download the theme from the extensions page. Kludgy, but it does work.
If you click on the Themes section in the Marketplace, a window will pop up with a preview of what it will look like on your browser. At the top of the window there is a little banner that says this item has been disabled in Chrome, then there is a blue hyperlink that says enable it. Click the link and you're in business.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.